In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an image from Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing a project, maintaining a digital record, or simply ensuring all your data is backed up neatly, knowing how to download images from Google Sheets is a handy skill to have. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. To start with, you'll want to open your Google Sheet, the one containing the image you need. This might be a spreadsheet you've been working on for a while, or it might be brand new for this task. Either way, once it's open, locate the image you'd like to download. Images in Google Sheets could be in a cell or inserted above the grid, so find it and get ready for the next step. Next, you'll need to click on the image itself. This might seem straightforward, and it is. By selecting the image, you're prepping it for the following steps. It's crucial to do this part correctly. Sometimes images can be tricky and might need a firm click to get selected, so make sure it's highlighted or has some sort of visual indicator that it's been chosen before you proceed. With the image now selected, here's where it gets a tad more technical. You'll need to press the Shift key on your keyboard and hold it down. While holding Shift, go ahead and right-click the mouse. Now, this combination of actions is essential because it pulls up a different context menu than what you might see with a typical right-click. This is the step that ultimately allows you the option to download. After executing that last maneuver, you should notice a menu pop up. One of the options visible in this menu will be Save As. Go ahead and click on Save As. This part is the moment where it all comes together. Clicking this option will prompt your computer to ask where you'd like to save the image file. Navigate to your preferred save location, maybe a specific folder designated for such files. Click Save, and voila! The image is now stored securely on your computer. It's quite a simple process, but each step must be done meticulously to ensure success. One more tip before we wrap up. Always double-check where you've saved the image on your computer to avoid any confusion later on. Having a dedicated folder for downloaded images from Google Sheets can be really useful, especially if you're working on large projects with multiple files. And that's it. You're now well equipped to download any image from Google Sheets confidently. Remember to give these steps a try next time you need to retrieve an image from a spreadsheet, and over time, this will become a smooth, quick task you can handle effortlessly. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful for you today.